There are two different ways to program settings into the motion arm. The motion arm electric lock, or EL version, is you're going to go ahead and connect to that using our iOS app specifically developed for the motion arm. It's called the Motion Arm User Interface, downloadable on the App Store on any of your Apple or iOS devices. So you'll make all of your adjustments, set up your triggers, and change gains and things like that, using that MAUI user interface. For the Motion Arm ML, or manual lock, again, this is a very simple elbow. There's no Bluetooth compatibility with this, so this will be programmed simply by using our on-off power switch on the elbow. And what we'll do is we'll toggle through and decide what kind of settings that we want to actually implement into this device. So for the Motion Arm ML manual lock, I'm simply going to power on the device by giving that power button just a long hold here. And now you see the device is powered up. I'm showing 4 LEDs, so which means I have right around 80% of my battery power left. Now, to get into the menu, what we want to do is we want to create a dancing pattern or dancing lights. And the way we do that is going to be 2 quick presses and then 1 long press. And I'll demonstrate that now. And there you see we have our dancing LED lights. It instantly went over, and now I'm getting this red light the whole way on this side. We have 3 different adjustments we can make to this. The first adjustment that we can enable or disable is going to be our terminal device activation. So we can choose whether our terminal device can operate with the elbow unlocked, or if we want to disable terminal device and wrist movement, if you have a wrist rotator in there, if you have a pro wrist inside this elbow. To disable this, or in this case, it's already disabled, to enable this, I'll just give this 2 quick presses. And you see that I've now went ahead and enabled this feature of the elbow. If I give this a 1 press, it's going to go to my next option. You see that's green. I expect that to be green because if I pull on my lock unlock, I'm getting that feedback, that sensory feedback and that buzz. If I can go ahead and I can disable that, maybe the user doesn't need any feedback, maybe they just don't like that buzz, it's not working for them, we can go ahead and disable that again by pushing that button in 2 quick successions. Now when I go to lock and unlock the elbow, you notice I'm getting a beep but no buzz. So we have the option to turn on and off the buzz on that second selection LED. If I go ahead and hit this button 1 time, that's going to move over, and this is my actual beep, so that auditory feedback. So you see if I lock it, or if I unlock the elbow, it's going to give me that audio feedback. Again, maybe the user doesn't want that, or they want a buzz instead of a beep. I can simply disable that beep, again by 2 quick successions. And now you see that 3rd LED for my 3rd feature is now red and disabled. Now when I go ahead and pull that lock unlock cord, you see I'm getting neither buzz nor beep. And if I want to go through and simply change things, I simply just push in that button. That's going to again cycle me back to the enable or disable the terminal device while the elbow is unlocked. I move on to that second function, which is going to be our buzzer. I'll go ahead and turn that on now. 2 quick pushes. And you see it buzz 3 times. The LED turns green. Lets me know that indeed my buzz is working. If I want to go ahead and exit that selection and now we're actually ready to use this elbow, I'm going to exit the program the same way that I entered it. And again, that's going to be 2 quick pushes plus a long push. So 1, 2, 3. And now you see that my elbow is completely programmed, and now I'm ready to put this on the user. Thank you. If you have any questions, please contact us at PhilHour Motion Control.